Hey everyone! I wanted to film this video on how to get into the minds and hearts of your target audience. One of the best ways to do this is understand the psychology of words, what makes people click, inquire, and purchase from one organization over another. Another way to do this for free is to have focus groups. If you have a retail store, ask your customer service specialist to start walking up to people that come into the store and ask, what made you come into our store over the many others in this mall? Or what was it about the billboard or the mannequins that you saw in our window that made you want to come inside and see what we have to offer? Once you get a full understanding of the secret of what makes your target audience tick, you can then reproduce and recycle content every day, every week, or every month, and set yourself